Hey YouTube, welcome to my video. This is going to be an unboxing video of the Mavic 2 with the Smart Controller. This, believe it or not, is actually my second Mavic 2. First one I brought last year, bought it second hand for about 850 euros and flew it a couple of times. Really liked it, but what I didn't like was the fact that you had to keep adding the smartphone to the original controller. Now this is not too much of a problem, but again it just adds some hassle to the experience, and if you're like me, you just want things to be as slick and easy as possible. So I saw an opportunity to sell my original Mavic 2 and upgrade at a very low cost to a brand new Mavic 2 Zoom with the Smart Controller. So this is just going to be a simple unboxing, so let's get started. We take a trusty knife and try and go through without damaging too much of the packaging. There's a lot of YouTubers out there that will have their own kind of special blades dedicated to this, but this is probably my own first and one of the very few unboxing videos, so I'm by no means a professional at this, so I'll try not to embarrass myself too much. Anyway, there we go. So we've got the first basic bit of the wrap undone, so let's get into it. Eventually it will come off. Let's put that to one side. And here we go. So we have an open tab. It's always the nice bit of a new product is the unboxing experience. And you see that manufacturers now are really taking effort to put detail in and improve the unboxing experience every time. I've seen this with DJI moving forward as their unboxing is improving at each product iteration. So here we go, very simple affair. We have the Mavic 2 Zoom drone, we have the Smart Controller, and we have boxes with some accessories. So without further ado, let's have a look and see what we've got. So very similar to what I had before, standard Mavic 2 Zoom drone. Now in terms of performance, flying the drone is exactly the same as the Pro version. The Pro version has the Hasselblad camera with a 1-inch sensor. And as far as I understand, you can actually buy the camera module, so you could actually take a zoom, buy the Hasselblad camera, retrofit it, and then you'd have a Mavic 2 Pro, and vice versa. Camera modules are quite expensive. They're retailing for around about $600. Not cheap, but if you're thinking of doing that upgrade, you can usually get around $300 for your replacement zoom camera, and this is good for people that may have had accidents with their drone or rebuilding and doing some repairs, so you would get some money back. So maybe an option I would look at in the future, but again, for my needs, just starting out with drones, not worth the extra money at this time. So here we go. This is the big deal for me. This is what I really wanted to get this drone for, and this is the Smart Controller. So again, very kind of standard affair with the wrapping and plastic that you have protecting all goods nowadays, keeping that nice 5.5-inch screen very pristine, looking very nice. I'm not really sure what this foam ring does. I guess that just protects the quick motion joystick. Now I've seen a few reviewers actually, they've taken out the separate joysticks that you have and installed them, but as I understand, there are actually some hiding. Yep, just here. If you look just here where my finger is, you've got the actual two joysticks that come there. Now I believe it's powered by two 1860 milliamp batteries that gives it a run time of around about 2.5 hours, possibly more depending on how you set your screen brightness. So that's the controller out the way. What else do we have? So we have, it looks like it could be some kind of power accessory because the battery's already installed. So yeah, we had the power brick. We have European plug, and that's about it in that box. In here we have some manuals. It looks like we have the propellers. So we have one set of propellers there. The additional joysticks for the remote. Another set of propellers. And this will be the spare set. So with the spare sets on the Mavic drones, you get a spare front rotation propeller and a spare rear. Actually, no, that's incorrect. If you actually look at the motors here, you have one marked with kind of white ring round and then the normal ones. And I believe the spare propeller has one for this type of motor head and one for the normal. I'm not really sure what the difference is. Again, I'm pretty new to this, so forgive my inaccurate descriptions, but that's what I understand they are for. So we have a more high voltage power brick, and I think this one is specifically for the Smart Controller. Some of the other product videos on the Smart Controller I've seen come with this. So again, we'll get into the setup process after I've done this video. I just really wanted just to give you a kind of quick unboxing. So you get your micro USB to the USB type A, and you also get your kind of standard documentation, manuals, quick start guides, all of that kind of stuff. I tend to normally refer to the online versions and just keep the paper document as it is when it comes in the package. I don't really see a need for myself to actually take those out, but that was really just my quick unboxing. So you have all the accessories there, the power adapters, you've got the main drone, you've got the not the antennas, the propellers that you need to fit manually. And these click and lock into place on each side. And you have to remove all these stickers and tabs. But like on YouTube, there's hundreds of these videos already. I just wanted to do my own kind of first one, just to have an idea of an unboxing experience. So as you can see from the controller, you can have the antennas up or down depending on the direction you're facing the drone. But anyway, any questions or comments or suggestions, then please feel free to leave in the comment section. Appreciate a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my new channel if you would like to see more content. Anyway, thanks a lot. Cheers. Bye.